Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Let us see the definition of fiber and fabric. A material which is available in the form of thin and continuation strands is called fiber, and these thin strands of thread that we see are made up of still thinner strands are called as fibers. The cloth produced by weaving or knitting textile fiber is called as fabric. There are two types of fiber. One is natural fibers, second one is man-made fiber or synthetic fiber. Let us discuss about natural fibers. The natural fibers are obtained from plant and animal are called as natural fibers. Examples: cotton, jute, wool, silk and etc. Man-made or synthetic fibers. These are synthesized in laboratory and are called as man-made fibers. Examples: nylon, polyester, makmal, fur, etc. Let us discuss about natural fibers. First we will discuss about the cotton. Cotton is a soft, fluffy staple fiber that grows in a ball or protective case around the seeds of the cotton plants of the genus Gossypium in the mallow family of Malvaceae. The fiber is almost pure cellulose. Under the natural conditions, the cotton balls will increase the dispersal of seeds. Cotton fiber is most often spun into yarn or thread and used to make a soft, breathable textile. The use of cotton for fabric is known to the date of prehistoric times. Fragments of cotton fabric dated to the 5th millennium BC have been found in the Indus Valley civilization. Let us discuss the process of making cotton from field to fabric. The process of making cotton transfers raw fibers into threads, yarn and fabric in 3 steps. First one is preparation, second one is spinning and third one is weaving. Preparation. In this process, the thread to be used for fabric, raw seed cotton must cleaned and free of dyes, seeds, dirt, stems and leaves materials are removed from the cotton during ginning. The process of separating cotton from the seed is called as ginning. Spinning. A yarn is usually of sustainable length or of a small cross section. In this cross section of yarn, there are usually a multiple number of staple fibers, means soft fibers or filaments of a unlimited length. Yarn made out of a staple fiber is known as spun yarn. Because the staple fibers should undergo the number of process stages so that a yarn can be made out of them. This producer or the process in correct sequence is called as spinning. Let us see what is spinning. Spinning is the twisting together of drawn out strands of fibers to form yarn, and it is a major part of the textile industry. The yarn is then used to create textiles, which are then used to make clothing and many other products. There are several industrial processes available to spin yarn, as well as hand spinning techniques where the fiber is drawn out, twisted and wound onto a bobbin. Now let us discuss about staple spun yarn. Staple spun yarn are made up of twisting staple fibers together into a strand. The length of the fiber is limited, and here we will discuss in detail about spun yarns. First one is, let us look into mono yarn. Mono yarn looks like a solid single strand of unlimited length. multiple filament, many continuation filaments with some twisted. Third one is staple yarn, many short fibers twisted together tightly. Fourth one is two-pilled yarn, two single yarns twisted together. Fifth one is multi-pilled yarn, pilled yarns twisted together. Thread, a hard spined pilled yarn. Cord or cable, many pilled yarns twisted into a core of structure. Cord or cable, many pilled yarns twisted into a course of structure. Weaving. Weaving is a method of textile production in which two distinct sets of yarn or threads are interlocked at the right angles to form a fabric or cloth. Other methods are knitting, croccheting, fletting, and braiding or plaiting. The longitudinal threads are called the wrap and the lateral threads are the filling. Thank you.